Hi, I'm Kirby with Augustine E-Bike. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe below. And again, thanks so much for watching our videos. Over the last week, I've been taking my 1,000-watt converted carbon 29er out on speed tests. Usually I'm testing hills and range, but I wanted to just see what speeds it could manage and how it felt on the bike. I took it to several locations that were less trafficked so I'd have enough road to test. One of those places was the campus of UCSC, now that school is out for summer. After a couple of tests on the way up to campus, I was able to find a stretch of road long enough to really open it up. I got it above 40, but had to brake since I ran out of road. It felt like I could have easily topped 45, had there been more road. I talk to people all the time who want more and more speed on their e-bikes. Unless you live in the desert, I can't imagine where you can find enough road to ride at those speeds. After all, you're still riding a bike. Anyway, it was great fun, great test. See you guys out on the road.